For this video, we are going to show you how to replace our top suspension arm.
First, remove the wheel to get easier access to the top suspension arm. The white substance on the thread is just some dried thread locking compound and is nothing to be concerned about. If you have trouble pulling off the wheel, just give it a wriggle or a tap like so. Use the Allen key to hold the hex screw in place whilst you use the wrench to loosen the top suspension arm bolt. If you have a power drill, you can use the 12mm socket to loosen the bolt much more easily. Use the Allen key to loosen the remaining screw holding the top suspension arm to the steering upright. Of course, you can also use a power drill to loosen the screw, but as we do put quite a bit of thread locking compound on the screws, at least the initial bit of loosening should be done by hand. Once the screw is loosened, you will see that there is a conical washer and a spring washer underneath. It's critical that you keep these and reinstall these later, as they do play a role in affecting the steering rate of your board. Now, use a pair of pliers to pull out the top arm bolt. It's recommended to wrap your plier teeth in some kind of tape so as to avoid scratching the bolts. The top suspension arm is now completely removed, and you can do with it what you will. It should be noted that the top suspension arm is the same across all four corners of the BajaBoard, so the procedure you've seen here can be applied to all three other corners of the board. To install a new top suspension arm, it's simply reversing the process before. First, you slide the top arm bolt in, then you reinstall the upright screw, remembering to put back the conical washer and the spring washer. For any screws that you've loosened, it's highly recommended that you apply a fresh layer of thread locking compound to the threads before retightening.